Good day. I am Olayinka Kabir, the CEO of Capstack Technologies and the developer of Capstack SMA application. So in this video, I'll be taking you through the individual teacher onboarding process. So without wasting much time, let's open our application. So this is the school portal, the landing page. So now to onboard a new teacher, so we need to log in as an admin. So I'll pause the video and supply my admin login credentials. Now, having logged in successfully, so we go straight to the staff info, the staff module. Now here we have the add new teacher. Just click on the add new teacher. You can see, so I will try and supply the information now, where I will take us through it one by one. So now let's look into it one by one. I've tried and supply the information. You can see the full name of the teacher, so the gender, followed by the class. You select the teacher's class, you select the teacher's department. So in primary, where we are not having arms, where we are having a single arm, so we make use of general. But if we are having multiple arms for primary and junior secondary, you can make use of this ABC depending on number of arms that you are having. But to be specific, you need to, the department that you choose for the learner in that class should be the department that you choose for their teacher. Otherwise the teacher will not have access to the learner's information. So you pick the same department for the teacher. So you generate the email ID the way we have generated for the students. So you can see the teacher's name. You may not make use of the unique random number, since we can know the number of teachers we are having. So we may have only one adesari in our school. So and at, you can see TEA means teacher dot Capstack coding school. You can use your own school abbreviation .edu.kt. Now, so you provide the teacher's phone number here. So you should provide the teacher's date of birth here, the teacher's address, the qualification, so the area of specialization, so the marital status you select, and you have the password. So this password, you repeat the same thing here. So now the email ID you are providing for the teacher here, and the password will be the login credential for that particular teacher. So now let's submit. So in case you have any challenge, you have any error, you will see the error displayed here. If you are having a password here, and the password here is different from what you have in here, so you see an error message here. So you need to check. You can unfold it and recheck. So now, so we have been able to onboard a teacher successfully. Now let's check the teacher's info to confirm. So we have the Adesari Adegbagi is the name of the teacher. Let's go and check. So you can see it's the last one here, Adesari Adegbagi. So the department, the qualification, and so on. So this is how to onboard a new teacher on the application. So and you give the teacher the email and password for login. So to test run it, let's try and log in with these teachers as a teacher of primary one. Let me try and log out here and log in as a new teacher that has just been onboarded. So now I'll pause the video to supply the password. So I've supplied the password now. So now you can see we now have this teacher. We have been able to log in successfully as the new teacher. So that is all about for this video. So we meet in the next video. Thank you and God bless you.